Sorry about that. So, a few minutes ago, I opened this Cookie Monster pop door. Hello, bubbles. So, I recently had I went to Comic Con and I saw Elsa. Then I got yesterday, and Annie. Then I got a couple of months ago. So now it's time to open Teddy Bear Girl from The Walking Dead. I actually really wanted to really bad because one reason. You'll see. Oh, almost like the box. So yeah, this one was a real stand, unlike the rest of them. And it fell. Put it on stand. On the stand. On these look like this is for Cookie Monster. My friends. My mom. Shout out to my uncle, which is in the other room. So, I usually set from the top. So yeah. Let's get Maria. Sorry, I was because so she has really certain red hair. Kind of like the ones that I usually have in bed. And then she has some scars on her head. Wonder what happened. My mom, I showed my mom a few weeks ago before we went to Comic Con, and she said she died because the pain of her braces and I said, how did she get that? And then because somebody said, she said, I don't want these braces. I fell. And then his eyeball. That looked like the rest of them, like the people have black eyes, like Elsa. Sorry, yeah. And then she has a little nose. And then a nice red face. Okay. Then that's her braces. Yeah, you probably guessed it. And Teddy. Then she has blue legs and then coat and then a teddy bear. And then her little. This is the back of her. And let's go show her back. Oh, yes, you can. Did I try this a second ago? Oh well. Yeah. See more time and no, but I will. I'll just stick on the stand. Wait a second, that's not in order. So this is going to be first, and there's First of all, I got little Anna, I got little Elsa yesterday, and I got Cookie Monster, and then I got the Zombie Girl. Comment down below your favorite. So this might be the way I'm gonna put them on the shelf for my cooking home. The shelf in my room, and again it's in order. I don't know why. I'm not very. Maybe I like stuff in order. Maybe I don't. I bet it's quite. So, thank you. Sorry about my wrath. So I could be like, I want to play my teddy bear girl, but I have so many. me four little pop lip gloss show, and Miss Amber. And my teeth still because earlier on I was in McDonald's and I went down on the straw and got into my teeth. So I'll see you next time. Oh, and by the way, I missed Inside Out here because the Inside Out is there. So yeah. Bye!